Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into how to target a US audience on TikTok in 2025. If you're a creator or marketer looking to boost your reach in the States, you're in the right place. TikTok is evolving fast, and with its massive user base in the US, over 150 million active users, nailing your targeting strategy can skyrocket your engagement. Let's break this down step by step. First off, understand TikTok's algorithm. In 2025, it's all about personalization powered by AI. To target US viewers, start by setting your content's language to English and using geotargeting in your ads manager. This ensures your videos show up for users in specific US regions like New York or California. Next, create content that resonates with American culture. Incorporate popular US trends, holidays, and memes. Think Super Bowl vibes or back-to-school hacks. Use relatable slang and humor that feels authentic, but avoid stereotypes. For example, if you're promoting a product, tie it to everyday US life, like easy dinner ideas for busy families. Don't forget analytics. TikTok's 2025 updates include advanced insights tools. Monitor metrics like watch time, shares, and audience demographics. If your videos aren't hitting the US mark, tweak your hashtags. Aim for ones trending in the US, like hashtag US Life or hashtag American Trends. Another pro tip: collaborate with US influencers. Partnering with creators who have a strong US following can expose your content to the right crowd. Plus, leverage TikTok Shop for targeted ads, where you can specify US locations and interests. Finally, stay consistent and test everything. Post regularly, engage with comments from US users, and A/B test your videos to see what works best. By 2025, TikTok's AI will reward high engagement content, so focus on building a loyal audience. There you have it, your guide to dominating TikTok in the US. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below on your biggest challenge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.